Long Island's courthouses will be open on Friday for the first time since the lockdown, but for very limited functions. The situation has left cases across the state frozen in time. CBS 2's Carolyn Gusoff reports.
It's been justice delayed for months. Courts closed for all but emergency business. Sentencings deemed non-essential.
We're in this standstill right now.
For the parents of Boy Scout Andrew McMorris, it's healing delayed. The sentencing of the convicted driver who struck and killed their son was twice put off.
He's still not in jail. He still has not paid the consequence for his actions. We understand the pandemic, totally understandable, but it's completely agonizing for us.
Same for the family of Willis Frost. His killer was retried, reconvicted, with no sentencing date in sight.
Because of the coronavirus, it's been delayed indefinitely.
The shutdown halting New York's massive court system, creating an unthinkable backlog. Lawsuits, divorces, domestic and custody cases, housing disputes, all on hold, while some of those waiting for their day in court are behind bars.
The clients that many of us have that are incarcerated are not virtually incarcerated. They're actually in jail, and they've been languishing there for months while the courts have been closed.
Jails have banned visits, instituted cell lockdowns, the right to a speedy trial also on hold. And when will jury trials return?
If you're a juror, you're sitting an inch away from the juror next to you. And that presents a bit of a problem. I don't see it happening in 2020 at all for a jury trial.
And yet, this is progress. Judges and staff are returning to courthouses where new lawsuits can be filed, but with strict density controls, teleconferencing, COVID screening, masks required, sanitizing, plexiglass partitions. Chief Judge Janet DiFiore.
This is not a return to business as usual, but rather it's a return to a new normal defined by limited courthouse traffic and procedures and safety measures designed to reduce the risk of virus transmission.
The McMorrises are pleading to find a way to move the justice system forward.
We can do this in large courtrooms, socially distant. We can video in people that need to be videoed in.
But after 4 court employees, including 3 judges, have died of COVID, the chief judge says with all at stake, they will not take safety shortcuts. In Mineola, Long Island, Carolyn Gusoff, CBS 2 News.